I am Aryan. I am from Jammu. I moved to Bangalore on 2025. I have gone through like YouTube videos. Reviews was so good. I have completed my bachelor's in computer engineering from MIT. We were the first batch. That experience was wholesome. This is the phase. I was not going from a good time like after completing the course. I was not that much prepared for that. 15 days I didn't went outside my home. That phase was not good. So I was having a bad time. I would say 40 to 50%. It's not about the fundamentals of networking and security. It's about the personality. You should be focusing on that. You should have a good communication. You should representing yourself. Try to make connections with your friends and have a group. Just focus on them. Everything will be good. Your efforts will make your outcome. That was my experience.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Voices of Victory, a platform where our students come together to share their success stories. Today we are delighted to be joined by Aryan, who has recently grabbed their new job at Scale Computing. Without any further ado, come, let's dive straight into the podcast. Hi Aryan, welcome to Networkers Home.
Hi.
Before starting the podcast, I want to congratulate on your new job.
Thank you so much.
So let's start. Tell me about yourself and where are you from?
I am Aryan. I am from Jammu. I have completed my bachelor's in computer engineering from MIT. And after completing my bachelor's in engineering, I got keen interest in network and security.
Okay.
So I moved to Bangalore on 2025. So my brother got me introduced to Networkers Home, that
Okay.
there is an institute that you can make your foundation skills on networking and security. So we came to Networkers Home, we talked to Amit sir. He just cleared us about how things will happen. We have to go through from CCNA, CCNP, then CCIE Security courses.
Okay.
So that was my introduction to Networkers Home.
That's nice. So how did you got to know about Networkers Home?
I have gone through like YouTube videos. I have seen some YouTube videos. So the like reviews was so good. Like the people who got placed in so many companies after getting into this
Yeah.
institution. So from that I got to know about.
That's so nice where you researched
Yes,
before coming
yes.
here. That's so good. So Aryan, can you provide some insights, experience about your trainer and the management?
Yeah, so my first course was taken by Tamil, and that experience was wholesome. Like we get to know about, like he was so friendly with us. He used to give homeworks. Like
Okay.
no other trainer, I don't think so. We have other trainers who used to give us, but yeah, he used to do homeworks, and he has to check tomorrow. Like he
The next
have-
day,
Yeah, the
yeah.
next day we have done. So that was like CCNA. That was the foundation was like so good. So after completing my CCNA, I went to routing with Vishal sir and switching with Ajay sir. So Ajay sir's technical skills was so good. Like we have that good understanding, and
Yeah.
with Vishal sir, the routing was pretty much good. And security course, most of them I have completed with Ajay sir, and that was my good experience. I have a wonderful time with Ajay sir.
That's a good thing.
And the second thing, if I talk about the management, I was not going from a good time. Like after completing the course, I got one opportunity.
Okay.
So after getting that opportunity, I didn't make that opportunity. Like that didn't come to me. So I take help from Amit sir. I would give him credit for this job also. Like he was the guy who was pushing me. Like you have to go on through. This is the phase. This is not. You have to accept that. Just focus on your studies. And I would give him the credit for this. Like Scale Computing for like obviously Amit sir was the guy who like just pushed me for this.
You just mentioned I didn't got a role. So how did you overcome with that? Because I have seen a lot of people, including me also, when I don't get the opportunity, when you put 100%, we get somewhere lost. So how did you come across that? How did you face that basically?
That's why I'm saying that phase was that phase was not good.
Yeah.
So I was having a bad time. So for that 15 days I didn't went outside my home because I was like lost, because I was waiting for this opportunity from 4 months. At the last moment they didn't show up because
They just ghosted you.
yeah. So after 15 days I talked to Amit sir, but Amit sir was so good. Like, he inspired me, like, this is the phase you have to go on through, but you have to be tough for this. Like, yeah, just try to remember like what kind of things you have learned, and just focus on everything will be good. Like, just don't focus on the outcome, just focus on your efforts. Your efforts will make your outcome.
That's a good thing what you mentioned, because like we face a lot of ups and downs while searching the job. This is the one era where we come across a lot of things like depression.
Yeah.
We have that one certain question like, why this is happening only with
us.
me?
Yeah.
That's a good thing what you mentioned, and it's really important, guys, to come out of that and work on good things and work on your development actually, so that you will get better one.
Yeah, but one thing I would like to mention, that I was going through, like, this was the time, August, September, I was going through the security courses. That time my VPN was going on. So everyone will be accept that fact. When we are going through CCNA, CCNP, we are mentioning in Naukri.com. So expect that you will get calls from them.
Yeah.
But I would highly suggest them to not to like go for those calls, because you should preparing for their mock interviews. Here are so many companies you will get chance.
Yeah.
Because that opportunity from Cisco, that's why I made up mind this is a dream come true, like getting into a Cisco. But I was not that much prepared for that. The thing is, I didn't understand at that time, because I thought they are calling me, I have that skills. But that time I would highly suggest everyone that you should going for mock. Like, after completing CCNA, CCNP, just go for mock, not coming for like you will get offer from companies. So once you cleared the mock, like, it will be an easy for you, like, for clearing interviews outside.
That's a good thing what you mentioned. So as you mentioned, how was your mock interviews and how many mock interviews did you attend?
When I got the opportunity for like that role, Cisco, so at that time I wasn't attending mock interviews. But when I like that, I didn't make that opportunity. So I talked to Amit sir. He was like, you have to go through from the mock interviews. So Vishal sir was there, Ajay sir was there. So like Amit sir told me you have to go through from this particular modules, like for security, IPsec, DHCP, DNS and TCP. And this was the particular you have to focus on the modules. I was focusing on, I was giving on every Saturday I was like giving the interviews to Vishal sir. Like, if you got some time, like I will see if he's busy or like free, I will give 10 minutes to 20 minutes just to get and feedback from them. But thing I have to focus on. So yeah, it was like, but I would highly suggest everyone like go for mock interviews. That would be really helpful for you all.
So Aryan, as you told about mock interviews, what kind of questions did you come up with?
Firstly, mock interview, like 40 to 50% comes around CCNA. Okay. Your CCNA should be fundamentally should be good, because firstly they will check how basics are you clear or not. Then they will move to routing, and then will move to switching, and then they move to security concepts, mostly IPsec, DHCP and DNS concepts.
Did you face any scenario based questions?
When I gave the interviews to Ajay sir, it is mostly purely on scenario based question. But I would tell one story about like scale computing also. Yeah, so I had second round. My interviews was held by a US team. So I was going through around, and you guys have YouTube channel where you put shorts. So there was one video that Ajay sir was telling about IP conflict. This is before 15 minutes I have to go for the interview. Ajay sir was telling about IP conflict, how IP conflict the same question was asked in the interview. Like so this was my experience with that, like in the skill, like when I was going for the interview, like I was just scrolling on like internet, and I get to know about this reel I just saw, and the same question was asked me. So I would say that the small context reels are very helpful if you go from there.
Like there are a lot of people who get failed in mock interview too. So how they have to prepare for next time?
Just try to understand people are not here, like they are seeing the mock interviews are much tougher than the outside interviews if you go for the company, but try to understand the people from here, the NH people are making us so tough that outside interview would be easy for us. So
Okay.
you have to be that your fundamentals should be clear. So it is also about the basic fundamentals. If you go for a sir interview, it will mostly scenario based questions.
Yeah.
So just they are not checking your learning, they are just checking your understanding, how good understanding you have about the networking and the security.
Oh, that's a nice thing. Do you really think like in all this process, communication makes a sense?
Yeah, the thing is, I got selected in security because they saw my communication was good. And
Yeah, I
yeah,
can see that.
yeah, you should be focusing, and we have communication classes here. You should be focusing on that, because we are going for a L1 role. Mostly we will go for an L1 role who are
Okay.
studying here. So try to understand, we will be facing the customer, so your communication should be good.
Yeah.
So if the customer is not understanding what you are saying, so that's not a whole point. Like you should have a good communication. So
Okay.
and from NH there was communications classes I used to attend when I was going through CCNP.
Yeah, that's
So,
a good thing.
yeah,
So Aryan, you recently got a job. So take us through that.
I got a job in Scale Computing as an associate broadband analyst.
Okay.
I went through for the knock interview, but they see I have certifications in wireless. So I thought they have seen that I have certification in wireless. So they changed my profile and they said I have to go on through like different profile. So the interview process was so good. Like I got to know about the person who was taking my interview, that was from US teams. So the interview process was so good that they will start with a conversation. They will not directly asking you about the technical questions. And I would like suggest like here also, like you should start with a conversation. Like the candidate is always nervous, like when he's going from an interview. So they start with a conversation. We had a 5-10 minutes conversation. After that they will be asking the questions, and that makes like candidate a very good, like feeling good. Yeah,
zone.
comfortable. That will be a comfortable zone. So yeah, that was my experience with Scale Computing.
That's a nice thing. So Aryan, you're into a good position, your career is growing. So looking back, how would you describe your learning experience, overall experience here at Networkers Home?
I would say the experience was wholesome good, because the learning was so good. It's not about the fundamentals of networking and security. It's about the personality that comes also. Like I would telling you that Naukri, the people will call you from Naukri when you put you have CCNA and CCNP learning. So they will call you for the offer. But try to understand that learning is a different thing. If you are learning CCNA, CCNP and security modules, that is a different thing. For interview, you should have a different personality too. You should representing yourself. The communication should be clear.
Yeah.
So for that they have held us mock interviews. Mock interviews makes you feel like a real interviews, how you have gone through. But people are here, like when they are getting calls from Naukri, they are feeling like we should join them. And I would highly suggest that go from a mock interview. Learning is a different and interview is a different personality. So you should have that thing.
Oh, that's a good thing what you mentioned, because both are in different boats.
Yes.
So Aryan, as we wrap up, can you share a motivational message for our students and a word for Team Networkers Home?
I would highly suggest the students who are pursuing CCIE Security or any other courses from Networkers Home, just try to focus on the understanding how the things works. And second thing, just try to make connections with your friends and have a group where you can like cross verify your topics and everything. And just try to have a communication. Like people are here is more comfortable with their native languages. That's good, but you are going into a professional world, so I would highly suggest them you should conversate in between English, and that makes you feel comfortable and confident talking to others. So yeah, and for the networkers team, I would like the experience was so good. Like I was thinking I would never get a job because that phase was not good. But networkers home team was there, like who supported me, who suggested me for a path, how should I approach this. And I would say like Amit sir was there, like who shared the things which I was going through. He told me you should approach things like this, and he was always there. Like if I have something to like worry about, I used to call them, and he was always there. And if I talk about the trainers, they were always there. Like if they have time, if I go for the doubt, they are just there. Like after coming from a class, they will be solving my doubt. So the experience was very wholesome.
That's a good thing. And it was really great talking to you. You gave a lot of information, and thank you for coming.
Thank you so much for that.